Hello everyone, and welcome to a video that could change the way you start your day. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the breakfast mistake 90% of seniors make and how to fix it. If you're a senior or care about one, this is for you. Breakfast sets the tone for your energy, mood, and health, but many seniors are making a critical mistake that's robbing them of vitality. Don't worry, we're not here to lecture. We'll uncover the mistake, why it happens, and how to fix it with simple, delicious solutions. Ready to feel better every morning? Let's get started. So, what's this big breakfast mistake? It's eating a morning meal loaded with sugar and lacking nutrients. Think sugary cereals, pastries, or even just toast with jam. Surveys, like one from the American Association of Retired Persons in 2023, show that nearly 90% of seniors over 65 rely on these quick, high-carb breakfasts. They're convenient, sure, but they're wreaking havoc on your body. Why is this a problem? High-sugar breakfasts cause blood sugar spikes, which lead to energy crashes. For seniors, this can worsen fatigue, brain fog, and even mood swings. A 2021 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that high glycemic meals increase inflammation, which accelerates aging and chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. You might be thinking, but I've eaten cereal forever. That's fair. Many seniors grew up with marketing that pushed sugary cereals as healthy. Decades ago, breakfast options were less scrutinized, and convenience became king. Today, we know better, but habits stick, especially when mornings are rushed or appetite changes with age. Another reason this mistake happens is declining taste buds. As we age, our sense of taste weakens, so seniors often crave sweeter foods to feel satisfied. A 2019 study in Age and Aging noted that older adults are drawn to high-sugar meals because they stimulate the brain's reward system more intensely. Unfortunately, this sets up a cycle of cravings and crashes. Let's talk about what these breakfasts do to your body. When you eat a sugary muffin or a bowl of frosted flakes, your blood sugar skyrockets. Your body pumps out insulin to handle it, but this roller coaster stresses your system. Over time, it can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes, which affects 1 in 4 seniors, according to the CDC. Energy crashes are another issue. That mid-morning slump isn't just getting older, it's your body struggling to process a sugar overload. A 2020 study in Nutrients showed that high-carb breakfasts without protein or fiber lead to lower energy and poorer cognitive performance in older adults by noon. That's no way to enjoy your day. Then there's inflammation. Sugary processed foods increase markers like C-reactive protein, which fuels joint pain, heart issues, and even cognitive decline. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Nutrition linked high-sugar diets to faster progression of age-related conditions. The wrong breakfast isn't just a small slip, it's aging you faster. Seniors also face unique nutritional needs. As we age, muscle mass declines, a condition called sarcopenia. The National Institute on Aging says adults over 60 need more protein to maintain strength. Yet, many breakfasts, like a bagel with cream cheese, skimp on protein, leaving muscles and bones weaker over time. Bone health is another concern. Calcium and vitamin D are critical for seniors to prevent osteoporosis, but sugary cereals or pastries rarely provide these. A 2023 report in The Lancet noted that inadequate breakfast nutrition contributes to higher fracture risk in older adults. Your morning meal matters more than you think. Let's not forget digestion. Fiber is crucial for seniors to keep things moving and prevent issues like constipation, which affects 1 in 3 adults over 65, per the National Institutes of Health. But a donut or white toast offers little to no fiber, leaving your gut sluggish and uncomfortable. Now, you might wonder, what about skipping breakfast? That's another trap. Many seniors skip meals due to lower appetite or time constraints, but this can lower metabolism and increase muscle loss. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular breakfast eaters had better overall health outcomes than skippers. So, how do we fix this? The good news is it's simple and doesn't require a culinary degree. The key is to build a balanced breakfast with 3 components: protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs. This combo stabilizes blood sugar, boosts energy, and supports your body's needs as a senior. Let's start with protein. Aim for 20-30 grams at breakfast to support muscle health. Eggs are a fantastic choice. 2 large eggs give you about 12 grams of protein, plus they're versatile. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that egg-based breakfasts improved muscle strength in seniors over 8 weeks. Greek yogurt is another protein powerhouse. A single cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt has about 20 grams of protein, plus probiotics for gut health. Pair it with fruit for flavor without the sugar overload of flavored yogurts. It's quick and senior-friendly. Don't like eggs or yogurt? Try cottage cheese, which packs 25 grams of protein per cup. Or go plant-based with a smoothie made from protein powder, almond milk, and spinach. The key is getting enough protein to keep your muscles strong and your energy steady. Healthy fats are the next piece. Fats keep you full and support brain health, which is crucial as we age. Avocados are a great option. Half an avocado has healthy monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol, per a 2019 study in Nutrients. Spread it on whole grain toast for a nutrient boost. Nuts and seeds are also fantastic. A tablespoon of almond butter or chia seeds adds healthy fats and fiber. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular nut consumption improved cognitive function in seniors. Sprinkle some on oatmeal or yogurt for a quick win. Olive oil is another fat to embrace. Drizzle a teaspoon over your eggs or veggies. It's packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation, as shown in a 2021 Journal of Gerontology study. Plus, it adds a rich flavor that makes healthy eating enjoyable. Fiber-rich carbs are the final piece. Swap white bread or sugary cereal for whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, or whole grain toast. These release energy slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes. A 2020 BMJ study linked whole grain breakfast to lower heart disease risk in seniors. Fruits and vegetables are also great carb sources. Berries, apples, or spinach add fiber and antioxidants. A 2023 Nutrients study found that seniors who ate more fruit at breakfast had better skin health and lower inflammation markers after just 4 weeks. Let's put this together with a sample breakfast. Try 2 scrambled eggs, cooked in olive oil, paired with a slice of whole grain toast and half an avocado. Add a handful of berries on the side. This meal has protein, fats, fiber, and flavor, and it takes less than 10 minutes to make. Another option is a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer a cup of plain Greek yogurt with sliced strawberries, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a sprinkle of granola made with whole grains. It's creamy, satisfying, and packed with nutrients to keep you going all morning. If you prefer something warm, make oatmeal. Use rolled oats, cooked with milk or water, and top with a tablespoon of almond butter, sliced banana, and a dash of cinnamon. This gives you fiber, protein, and healthy fats in one cozy bowl. For those busy mornings, a smoothie is perfect. Blend a scoop of protein powder, a handful of spinach, half a banana, a tablespoon of flax seeds, and unsweetened almond milk. It's quick, portable, and nutrient-dense, ideal for seniors with smaller appetites. What about coffee or tea? Good news, both can fit into a healthy breakfast. Black coffee or tea has antioxidants, and a splash of milk adds calcium. Just skip the sugary syrups or creamers, which can undo your efforts. A 2022 European Journal of Nutrition study found moderate coffee intake supports heart health in seniors. Now, let's address taste. If you crave sweetness, use natural options like fruit or a drizzle of honey. Steer clear of artificial sweeteners, which can disrupt gut health, per a 2021 Nature study. A sliced apple with a sprinkle of cinnamon can satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar spike. Portion size matters too. Seniors often need smaller meals due to slower metabolism. Aim for a plate that's 1/3 protein, 1/3 healthy fats, and 1/3 fiber-rich carbs or veggies. This balance keeps you full without feeling heavy. If chewing is an issue, as it can be for some seniors, go for softer options. Smoothies, yogurt, or scrambled eggs are easy to eat and digest. You can also blend oats into a smoothie for fiber without the chewing challenge. Let's talk cost. Healthy breakfasts don't have to break the bank. Eggs are one of the cheapest protein sources, and buying oats or frozen berries in bulk saves money. Shop at local markets for fresh produce to keep costs down while supporting your community. Time is another concern. Many seniors feel rushed in the morning. Prep ahead by hard-boiling eggs, portioning yogurt, or chopping veggies the night before. A 2023 Journal of Aging and Health study found that meal prepping improved dietary adherence in seniors by 30%. What can you expect after fixing this mistake? In just 30 days, a balanced breakfast can transform your health. A 2021 nutrients study showed that seniors who ate high-protein, high-fiber breakfasts had more energy, better focus, and less joint pain within a month. Your mood may improve too. Stable blood sugar prevents irritability and fatigue. A 2022 Journal of Affective Disorders study linked balanced breakfasts to lower rates of depression in older adults. You'll feel lighter and more optimistic. Physically, you might notice stronger muscles and better balance. Protein and exercise together combat sarcopenia, per a 2020 Journal of Gerontology study. Pair your new breakfast habit with a short daily walk for even better results. Your gut will thank you too. More fiber means better digestion and less bloating. A 2023 gastroenterology study found that high-fiber breakfasts reduced constipation in seniors by 40% in just 2 weeks. That's a game changer for comfort. For those with chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease, this fix is critical. A 2021 diabetes care study showed that low glycemic breakfast improved blood sugar control in seniors within 3 weeks. Your doctor might even notice the difference. Let's address common hurdles. If you're not hungry in the morning, start small. A half cup of yogurt or a boiled egg. Appetite often improves as your body adjusts. If you're on a fixed income, stick to affordable staples like eggs, oats, and frozen veggies. Finally, make it fun. Experiment with flavors. Add herbs like basil to eggs or cinnamon to oatmeal. Share breakfast with a friend or family member to mimic the social aspect of Mediterranean-style eating, which boosts mood and health. Here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, swap your sugary breakfast for a balanced one with protein, fats, and fiber. Start with one of the meals we mentioned, eggs, yogurt, or a smoothie. Track how you feel. More energy, better mood, less pain. You'll be amazed. Thank you for joining me today. Fixing this breakfast mistake can add years to your life and life to your years. Check out the description for recipe ideas and resources to get started. Like, subscribe, and share this with a senior you love. Let's make mornings vibrant together.